good afternoon, or good evening. Pick the one that applies to you. Today, I have a new filming location. Yes, I'm on my kitchen island, and cheers to you. Dink. As you can see, I have two China mail. It looks like China mail. I'm very, very interested to see which these are. So, put that one over there. And see what these are. Because I think one of them is my drills and chills. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. And it's hump day again. Here we are at hump day again. And, oh, yes. Yay. Sorry about the bang. Hey, look at that. I'm right near a trash can, too.
She's not used to plopping down her dining and it being a solid surface.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Beth.
Beth is still here, yeah.
Not the table.
There's Beth. You don't look. Move the vase, please. Hi, Beth. Cheers to you. Top of the morning.
Top of morning. I would go get my bottle, but I'm too tired.
So, okay.
Coffee.
You met Beth again. I'm not even going to show you what's on the end of this because it's a surprise. This one I ordered from Treasure Studio Arts.
Remind me of passing by to get my
Oh,
coffee.
look at this. Aww. Now that's the most special toolkit I've ever gotten. Oh my goodness. Pink tweezers. What? Oh God, this is so cute. I think she likes pink. Look at that. Wow, right? No. You even get a, looks like 5 or 6 placer. I'm not very good unless they say the number on them or they're 4 placers. Or 3 placers. I know it's a 3 placer. Get a pink, scrunchy, squishy, whatever. I got, what do you mean battery low? I got 2 blocks of wax. And Beth, go get my charger, please.
For your what? Phone?
And a boat. Go get my battery. My battery. Look at these. Oh my God! And the surprises keep coming. Wow. This for one's bent, I think. No, I don't know. No? I think they were just a little bit rounded inward on the end. I'm not sure. Wow. The surprises keep coming. And this is like a grip. Very good, Rachel. Thank you. That's one of the best toolkits I've ever seen. I've gotten Star Wars, but this is the prettiest by far. My battery pack. Hey, here we go. Thank you, Beth.
You're welcome.
Life happens here at my house. There we go. We should have juice now. Okay, let's see what we got. Now that we oohed and awed over the, oh my God, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Nicely packaged too. Oh yeah, she did mention she wanted the paintings rolled outwards like this. There you go, Rachel. Way to go. Nice foam core. And as usual, I love Treasure Studio Arts because look at this. Already in bags. Would you like to see what we're doing? Oh my God, I love this. There we go. Happy Halloween. It's my Drills and Chills. He is so cute. I've not seen anyone do this one yet. There's a little kitty right here. Little kitty right here. And he's got little kitty ears on him. Don't you love my green today? Oh, isn't that pretty? My little short stubby nails. But hey, they're growing. That's Ruby something. Ruby Wishes? Or, I don't know. Look how big this is what I love. Look how big those are. They're huge. Okay, I've seen a lot of people struggle with getting these out of tubes and stuff. Here's a trick for you. Take it from the inside. Grab the inside one and twist, and it becomes smaller. See? It comes right out. Look at that. Oh my God, it's the 310 life again. Oh, you think that's funny, do you? Oh no, it's not the 310 life, it's the 3371. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh, she's got her name up there big and proud. She should. Oh, look at that. And it lays flat so nicely. Way to go, Rachel. Rachel Treasure is the owner of this company, and I highly recommend this company. I really do. They've got code the key over here, the key up there. Can you see it? Can you see that? You can see some of the pumpkins. The kitties are kind of blending because they're about the same color. Money back guarantee. Customers number one, and 30% more drills. Here's all their information on the bottom.
Did you say 30% more drills?
Yeah. 30% extra drills. So make sure you have enough. Nice. I love this paper. This is not flimsy. See? It's not flimsy. I might need a cover binder just to do the tackiness. Just the way I like it. No, I don't need a cover binder.
No, I think you're good enough.
It says Happy Halloween on the bottom. Gorgeous! I really, really can't wait to do this. I'm going to start it today. This is my Drills and Chills. I've not seen anyone else do this. Oh yeah, no green on here. This one's called Turn on the Northern Lights, I think, by OPI or China Glaze, one of the two. Anyways. Well, we don't have many colors. But we have 30 of them. 30 colors. Doesn't look like 30. You know what to do when you see me doing this. I don't need to tell you. Holy moly! There's my 310. Woohoo! It's called Happy Halloween. All right. wonder if they were in order. It might have been. My cat's doing flips. Ooh, look at this color. With the hitchhiker. He's got a hitchhiker. I love it. Let's see. Does it not tell you what number it is? It's 814. It's number 13. No. They do not tell you what number it is. Okay, so we have 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 14. Look at this one. There's hardly anything in there. 8, 9, and 30. They're all here. And they look gorgeous. Yay! I love it. I'm not even going to box it back up because this is the next one I'm doing. I love this, Rachel. This is a good touch. Now I can play bang bang with my kids. All right, next. Now, this could be anything. But I think I know what it is. It'd be kind of cool if they both came the same day. Yep. Now you're in for a real treat. Or a real scare. Maybe this should be my drills and chills. It's really creepy, let me tell you. Yep, it's creepy. It's from Treasure Studio Arts again. You notice how I'm not showing you the end? I will say, I got a little banged up on the end, but hey, no big deal. I'm really nervous about this one. Oh my God, really? Oh my God. Oh, I bet you nobody's gonna guess what this is. Except for Beth, probably. Yeah. Look! I got another cute tool set with more cute tweezers again. Yay! Thank you. I love them. They're so cute. It's a cute tool set. Not thought I'd never say that, but good touch. Very good touch, Rachel. Thank you so much. I've been waiting for this one for a long time. See what I just pulled out of there? And my daughter's laughing at me. Okay, so we got, looks like, okay, I gotta investigate, sorry. Okay, these are not as pointy. See, they're a little bit round. A little bit blunt at the last minute. Look at those. Okay, now she needs to put her name on both these and the pink ones. Treasure Studio Arts, yeah. So, hey, surprise. We've got another. Is there another one in here? Oh my God. Here's a clue. Can you guess what it is? Oh, no, you can't. So what we're gonna do again, here's your recap. Take the end and twist it the opposite direction that it's wound. Oh, it's a little roughed up over there, but okay. I don't even have to unwind this to, oh my God. Shut up.
Not you.
Here's the thumbnail. This is a custom of me and my husband. My husband and me, whatever. Doesn't he got, he's got that look like, are we done yet? Just so you know. And there it is. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I never thought I'd be so life-size. Wow. Now that's a portrait if I ever seen one. Hey, I could change my tattoos. I might. Wow. Good work. Oh my gosh, she did fix it. We were talking about the separation of the water from the sky because they're both the same colors. But look, there's detail in the water. And then there's the marks. This is like the separation point. And then the sky is a little lighter. I love it. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I was just going to inquire about when this was coming, but there it is. That's what I look like. Oh, look. There's Asia. She's like, let me in. No. Where's she going? Where are you going, Asia? Oh, you're coming over here. Here she comes. She's going to do a flip. Roll over, Asia. Roll over. Come on. Do it. Come on, they want to see you roll over. What? You're not? Nope, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Roll over. Yay, good kitty. There's a bonus for you guys. Kitty rolling over. Okay, so there's... Wow. I can't wait till I do that one. She stole my kitty. She stole my kitty.
What?
She's trying to escape with my cat. See? Asia, come here, baby.
She can't come.
Bye, Asia. She's like, let me down, let me down. Yeah. Wow. There you go. There's what it looks like. You want to see the thumbnail again? I got it on here. I don't know if it'll show up very good. Whoa. It's like trying to focus. You can kind of see. There we go. Oh, wait. I think it's the same picture as the one in here. Nope. Okay. This will give them an idea. This is from the same photo shoot, but different picture. Oh, Lord. There we go. Here's me and Jim. Now you all know what Jim looked like. And what I look like. Yeah. And so this was from our 25th anniversary. We were on a cruise. And I thought, what better to have as a custom than a picture of me and my husband. So that's, oh wait. I'm going to look at these through the bag because I'm not opening them. Because I got to squeeze them back in the box. But, woo, look at those skin colors. No, not so much 310 in this picture. Woohoo! I can't wait to do this. Oh my God, that's so cute. Well done, Rachel. Well done. This is my first ever custom. Okay. I have one coming from DAC too. So Diamond Art Club. This is my first ever. So wow, it looks great. Beautiful colors. Beautiful diamonds. Where'd all this 310 come from? 310? Circles. circles. Oh, my hair, probably. Yep. A little bit in Jim's hair. He's gray, that's why. Getting gray. He's gonna love watching this. Wow, the blues on here are perfect. Ooh, I even got some sea foam. Look at that, sea foam. Pretty. Outstanding. Okay, I'll check the... I see a little bit of like a river right there on the edge. But other than that, wow. No, there's one there too. Yep, you can see it right there. But I can get to that with a pair of tweezers. No biggie. Look at that. Oh! No, I don't want my money back. No, I don't want anything. I just want this. This is gorgeous. I love it. Wow. Oh, Lord. Holy cow. Look at that big bubble. I mean, I could fix it. I'm not worried about that. It is. Yep. I thought it was just a wrinkle in the... Maybe. Okay, now it's not so bad. Just pushed it down. Maybe it was just loose. Oh, wow, I never seen my husband so sparkly. I'm loving it. Yeah, it's got a little damage right here from... Just put some books on it. It'll be fine. I'm not even worried. Oh, wow. Is this another one? Maybe. No, it's just the... Beth, look.
Yeah. It's not.
All right.
Hey, Mom. You want to just remove your tattoos? You can...
Yeah, now I can remove my tattoos.
Yeah.
All right. I hope you enjoyed this video of Treasure Studio Arts. Wow. I mean, really, wow. Excellent company. 4 thumbs up if I had them. Oh, wait, here comes my other 2. 4 thumbs up. Yay. 4 thumbs up. Thank you.
Yeah.
And I mean... Look at this. I hope she continues this. I mean, I know it probably costs her a little bit more to make these, to do these, but it's a nice touch that says, hey, I care. I like it. I care enough to send you your tweezers. I don't care that I got another one I'm throwing things apparently. Yeah. Another one in a regular package, that's okay. It came with one in one of these packages. Oh, we have another one. Spy.
I'm done with my coffee.
There's Missy. She's like, what is that? Missy. Missy. Are you going to roll over too? No, bye. What a silly family What a silly family I have. Oh, goodness. Okay, so, yeah. As I was saying, this is a great touch. It's that personal touch. And I love those tweezers. I will buy you. This is, yeah. It's just, I'm speechless. It's worth every penny I spent. Thank you so much. So out of 1 to 10, I'd give this a 50. Yay! Have a great day, everybody. I just woke up, so what a thing to wake up to. Yeah! It's gorgeous. Okay. Have a great day, everybody. And I hope you all have a great week. It's hump day, so happy hump day. And have a wonderful week. And remember, treasure Studio Arts. This is great. This I don't have to say anymore. The painting speaks for itself. Look at that. I hope you guys enjoy this. And take care of each other. I know I'm kind of quoting from Ella there, but you know she's got it right. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. It's what we call hand dancing in our house.
What?
What are you listening to?
The Nino Kuni music?
Oh, okay. Oh gosh, she's gonna hum it for you.
What? It's a good song.
Okay.
If any of you are gamers, Nino Kuni 1 and 2. They just remastered the first one.
Oh God. There you go. You got your plug, I guess. I don't know.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Hashtag not sponsored. That's
Hashtag
right.
Wish I was sponsored.
No, not me.
No,
Assassin's Creed, yeah.
I mean, think about it. What's that?
Coffee.
Bendigo.
Told you I just woke up. I have to have coffee.
Anyway,
This looks like Irish green to me. Okay, so anyways, that must have been a PS note. So take care of everyone. Take care, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day.
take care of everyone.
Yeah, take care of everyone. Beth, you do that. Get on that. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.